Okay, people, today we're doing corned beef patties, fried eggs, and tater tots. You need an 8-ounce can of corned beef. You need a bag of tater tots. Turn your oven on to a low heat and place your tater tots in the oven. Now, some people call this welfare food, but people, if you season it and you put the right ingredients in it, it is love. You hear me? You need 1 egg. You need a small onion. You need a half a cup of green and red bell pepper. Okay, you need half a cup of flour. And for your seasoning, you need a tablespoon of minced garlic, a pinch of cumin, and a pinch of black pepper, as well as a pinch. Okay, now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. So you add your onion and your bell pepper. You add your egg. And then we're going to add the seasons. You add your half a cup of flour. And now we go into the seasons. You want to use a tablespoon of minced garlic. Right at a tablespoon. And we're going to add a pinch of cumin. Not a lot of this cumin, people. This is pungent flavor and it's strong, so just a pinch. We also gonna add a pinch of black pepper. I like the crushed black pepper. I like to crack it myself. It has you know, a more tight flavor. And a pinch of salt, people. You know, if you want to add more salt, you can. Alright, you mix the contents very well. Make sure you mix these contents very well so all the ingredients will be evenly spread out between the patties, okay? We're going to hand patty 6 small to medium patties. 6 small to medium patties by hand, okay? You can use the palm of your hand as a gauge to try to evenly make these patties. And you're going to have to make some adjustments, people, you know, because you're not going to get it right at first. But you just work on it. You might have to pinch from one to add to another. But anyway, your patty's going to come out looking like this or something similar to this. But don't get upset and fall out, people, because, you know, we're working at it, all right? Okay, you need a skillet. Preferably a non-stick flat skillet. If you have it not, you can use a pan. You're going to turn your heat on to a medium heat. Okay, make sure the temperature is at medium, people. Add your oil, vegetable oil or olive oil. All right. And once that pan gets hot, then you want to begin to add your patties. We're going to cook these patties 3 minutes on each side. Now, if you like them a little brown or extra brown or well done, you will cook them for 4 or more minutes, okay? All right. Now, while that's cooking, you get you a small pan because we have to fry 6 eggs. And just as a reminder, we are in the kitchen, people. We in the kitchen again. Okay. Get you a small pan. And you need about a tablespoon of butter. Medium heat, people. Always use medium heat so you won't burn the pan up and burn your food up. Your family will be unhappy if you do that. Get you 6 of them chicken eggs. They're hen eggs, actually. But we're gonna fry 6 chicken eggs. And you're like, why do you keep calling these chicken eggs? Why don't you just say 6 eggs? Okay, we're gonna fry 6 eggs then. On a medium heat, you fry 6 eggs. Like I said, about a tablespoon of butter. We doing them sunny side up, okay? You need 6 slices of bread. You can use wheat